Audrey,
Yeah?
can I ask you a question?
Anything?
Well, suppose there's a minute, there no more Audrey too, then I'm just nobody, nothing, again. Will you still like me?
Seymour? I still love you, Seymour.
You do?
Yeah.
Then it's settled.
What's settled? A gun?
Yeah, bullets, knives, red poison. Tomorrow morning after Live magazine takes our picture, you know who bites the dust.
Seymour?
Yeah. They will snap our photos. We'll be famous. I'll take the TV job. And we will live a nice, normal life together. Yeah. No more night feedings. No more squatting for blood.
Seymour? I don't understand. I don't get it. What feelings? What blood? Bullets, knife, red poison. You're scaring me.
Oh, there's nothing to be scared of, Audrey. Yeah, you see, we'll go far away from here. I'll take you to the little development that you always dream about. And once we are there, we will live happily ever after. I promise. With small little house, small little car, and no plans. No plans at all.
Seymour, you're talking so peculiar.
Oh, Audrey, maybe I can explain all to you in the morning. But for now, please go home, okay?
I can't leave you in this condition.
There's nothing to be worried about. You don't have to worry about me. For now, just go home, please. Okay? Feed me. Hey, lay off, Stewie.
Feed me.
I will not, so stop asking.
Feed me.
Okay, I'm tired of this one. Maybe I can bring you some red roast beef. Maybe that will hold you till Live magazine gets here.
No way.
Okay. Listen this carefully. This is last over. Yes or big no. Say it. Just come on, say it.
It's better than nothing.
Done. Fine. Great. Just don't think that you're getting your dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I take a SOMINEX, but voices in my head kept saying, drank some tea. But gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Lady alone.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is anybody there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour. Seymour, is that you?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me. You're friendly, Audrey, too. This planet's talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No. And you ain't in Kansas either.
Something's very wrong here.
Just relax and go with it, doll. Hey, listen. I need you to do me a favor.
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst kind of way. Look at my branches. I'm gonna, honey.
Oh, I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
You just want water, right?
Sure do. I'll drink it straight.
Your branches are dry. Poor
Don't
thing.
need no glass and no eye.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no twist of lie.
Oh. Well, here you go. Just wait.
And now it's supper time!
No, please. Please, help! Help! No, please,
Get over her! Oh my God! No! Audrey, are you okay? Audrey?
Yes. No.
Audrey? Oh my God! Don't die, Audrey! Oh, I need you, Audrey! Don't die! Please, don't die!
You know, the plant just the strangest thing just now is that the Oren and Miss Mushnik were already inside.
Yes, I did. They already inside. I fed them to it.